Goblins! My name is Jody and I'm the Goblin Girl. I'm a 43-year-old woman who loves makeup and is a bit of a geek. So if you're like me and want to learn more about how to apply all of the different kinds of lip products you could imagine, stay tuned and keep watching this video. So today we're going to be talking about all the different kind of lip products that you could possibly put on your lips. Some of the benefits and negatives of them and what the differences are. So the first product I want to talk about is the product that most people will put on first, which is a lip pencil. Sometimes people call these lippies. This is one that I have from, I actually ordered it from Shop Miss A, but it is LA Colors, and it's called an auto lip liner, probably because what you do is you start off and there's like, you can see there's something in there, but of course I'm pushing it the wrong way. And what this is basically a stick of product that they put in here, and you can either line your lips with it or you can fill your entire lip with it. It's really up to you. I find these quite drying, but I do like them. So I will put them on at some point. I just want to kind of go over the different things that you can do first. But yeah, this is a lip liner. Let's see. The next thing that you probably are also familiar with is lipstick. So here is a lipstick by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is also known, focus, as a bullet lipstick because it kind of is in the shape of a bullet. So this is like a pinkish. I also have one from NYX, which is it's more adventurous color. As you can see here, it's more of like a greenish kind of blue, like a dark green. Hey, it almost kind of matches my shirt actually. It blends into the shirt. Where did it go? I'm just kidding, it's right here. So again, these are bullets. And it's kind of what we grew up on. They have different kinds of finishes, so it could either be matte, so flat without any shine, or it could be a shiny. Most of them though are more matte, and then the formulas can feel different. Some of them are kind of sticky, which I don't like sticky. Some of them are kind of smooth or velvety. This is actually very velvety. So then there is something called like a liquid like. Then there's something called liquid lipstick, which this is what this is a liquid lipstick. Almost it's something different. From NYX called NYX Lingerie, and I'll show you what this kind of looks like. It's got a weird looking applicator because it's got kind of like a little bend in it. That's what, well, yeah, we'll go there. All the way up here. And I don't know if you can see, but it's actually got like a little dimple type thing. This will dry down pretty flat, but it's still pretty easy to take off. It's not, you know, tissue proof or whatever. It's decent, but it's not completely. But I like this shade actually quite a bit. It's kind of pinky. And then there's lip balm, which a lip balm. This is another one from LA Cosmetics that I actually got at the Dollar Tree. And what these are, generally speaking, are kind of like chapsticks, except instead of chapstick, they have some kind of hint of color in them. They're not completely transparent. And then, of course, everyone knows chapstick type products. This is one from Vaseline, actually. And then the next type of lip product I want to talk about are glosses. So there's different levels of pigment in a lot of glosses that you can get. So you can get something that's almost clear. So actually you can get some that are completely clear, like this one from AOA called Glazed. It kind of has, it looks like it has a pink tint, but when it's on, it really doesn't. And I'm sorry, there's some pink in there from when I put it on top of lipstick, but it is pretty clear. I will put it on my arm so you can see. No, you're not going to be able to see that. Let's try this side. and I've used quite a lot of this, so you're not going to see quite as much, but why do I keep doing it on that side? Yeah, that's not going to help you at all. Actually, I'll put it up here. How's that? That's better. So as you can see, it's kind of, you can just barely see the wetness of it on my hand, but that's about it. It's like right in here. This is meant to make your lips more shiny or glossy when you do have a matte lipstick on. So it's not meant to be, I mean, you could put it as the only thing on, but it's more meant to cover something to make it look shiny or pretty. The next layer is something that it has a little bit of hint of color, but it's still mostly clear. And for that, I actually really like the NYX This Is Milky Lip Gloss, which sounds, it's a horrible name, honestly. It sounds horrible. This is milky. Like why would you want milk on your lips? But I love the way this feels. And you're gonna see it actually does have a little bit more color to it. So this one is blue, which I actually like with my lips since I do have a cool toned skin tone. It definitely helps, and you can probably see just that little hint of blue, but it's not very tacky. So when I put it on my lips, it actually feels very hydrating to my lips, but it's not going to be as tacky. So you're not going to, the squish test, it's not going to be stringy, which that's gross. No one wants a string from your top lip to your bottom lip. That's horrendous. You don't want that. And then another one of these is from, who is this from? Oh, Maybelline. It's called Lifter Gloss, which I actually wear this one a lot too. This one feels really nice. It's got a big doe foot applicator. And this one has a little bit more pigment in it, but it's still pretty sheer. So again, we're just going from very sheer to less sheer. So here's that one, and that one, as you can see, it's got, you can kind of push it out a little bit, and then it just looks like a hint of color instead of it being, but it's still darker than this blue, and definitely darker than the clear, because the clear is completely clear. So I'm actually going to, sorry for the weird banging. Just use a wipe to clean off my hand, because the next ones that I want to show you definitely have some pigment to them. So ASMR, is that ASMR? Listening to me clean off my hand? I don't know, that's kind of weird. People are weird. Don't be weird. All right, so the next one is you could almost wear this as a lip, and I often do wear this as a lip instead of having it having a lipstick and a gloss, or a lip pencil and a gloss. I'll just do these, and I have 3 different colors from the same brand. Again, it's NYX. This is the Butter Gloss, and it kind of feels very buttery. The name is pretty good. They all have the same kind of doe foot applicator, and I'm gonna put this one, which is, oh, it's not going very well on my hand that just had makeup remover on it. This one I think is honey, a bit of honey. So you can see it's kind of a nice, I don't know, pinkish, rosy pinkish, almost nudish. It's kind of a cool color. And then I also like kind of bright and colorful makeup, so I did get this one, which was an orange sickle, which this one is much more of a brighter orangey red. So put that underneath. Again, I'm just having a little bit of trouble because I just used the makeup remover. So you can see that one. And again, that's much more of a brighter color. And then finally, from this set is, what color was this called? Blueberry Tart. That sounds nice. I could use a Tart right now. And this one is much more blue. So there's a little bit of pink in it, but it's more blue. Okay, so why did I throw that away? Times like these when I wish I hadn't just thrown away my makeup remover because, you know, I have a bunch of makeup on my hand and you don't want to leave that on your hand. I mean, you could, it would be a new trend, but I'm not that trendy. If you are, kudos to you for wearing makeup on your hand instead of on your face. But, you know, like I said, whatever floats your boat. If you want to have fun with having makeup on your hand, great job. Let's see. So I do want to, let's watch a couple of these things too. I'm drawing myself so that way you can see things. So here's the lip liner that I was talking about earlier. And we're just gonna draw and hopefully get, yeah, there it goes. So you can see that's just a nice little pinky color. Does this even have the color on the name? It's called Pinky. Pinky. Let's see. And then, where was that Covergirl? Not Covergirl, e.l.f. lipstick, which is a nice pink as well. And then, just for fun, let's look at this bluish green. I love the way that feels. So you can see it actually has a little bit of gray tone too on the camera at least. And then finally, let's look at this. Which is definitely much more of a rosy kind of a pink color. So here's all of the lip products. So you can see them. Oh, let's do the balm too. Why not? There's like almost nothing in the balm. We're gonna do this sideways just to, yeah, there's almost no color. You're not gonna be able to see that. There's no color there. So it's a very, very, very light wash of color, if anything. And I didn't say any. So they lied. All right, so let's have some fun and put something on. I'm not gonna put all of them on because, you know, I'm not gonna put all of them on, but I will put I'll put the lip pencil on, and I'll also kind of show you how the liquid lipstick works along with a gloss. This time I'm gonna keep it around because you're also going to see how much fun I have with my lip stuff because I always have issues with my top lip. So we're going to come with me. Sorry. And I learned a technique where you go like this and you talk really funny, but you kind of tighten up your lips and then you put your lipstick on. So I'm going to talk a little funny when I put my lipstick on. Oh. And I'm going to do it in the mirror because I can't usually see. And I know the glare is kind of... Yeah, it's not going to work. Alright, let's do this. And I do right below. Yeah, that's not going to work. I do right below my lip, so it gives me a little bit bigger of a lip because in case you can't notice, I have very tiny lips, so. Okay. Sorry for the glare. I can't see it all. I think it looks fine. Gonna get mostly covered up anyway. And then I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick, which again, this has got kind of a weird looking doe foot applicator. It's not really doe foot, but I don't know what you would call it. Flat foot. And I'm So what I did there, because I couldn't talk, is I put it on the bottom of my lip, the bottom lip, and then I kind of mushed my lips together. And I got mostly that took the lipstick from the bottom and put it also on the top part of my lip as well. And then I just kind of noticed if I needed a little filler, which I need a little filler on the top of my lip, and then when I put them together again, it kind of reapplies it. And now it's almost dry. I think it's pretty. Not bad, not bad. What do you think, huh? I know I have weird faces sometimes, but hey, it's fun, right? We gotta have some fun. But you'll notice this is pretty matte. And you know, if I just go like this, the kiss test, there's a little bit of transfer. They call it transfer when you put makeup from your face onto something else. So like if you're wearing a mask or you just do the kiss test, you know, there's a little bit of transfer, but it's not terrible. It's definitely not, you know, horrible. My lips are a little cracky, dry right now too. Cracky, dry, I don't know that that's a word, but we're gonna make it a word. And look, we're sideways again. So then, because this is pretty flat and I like a little bit of wetness, I'm gonna take that glazed, which, wow, that's almost up. And I'm gonna apply that as well. And again, I do the smush, smush. And that's it. And that's a 3-layered, basically, lipstick look, where you take the pencil, put it around your outside of your lips. And again, I do just a little bit below. And honestly, sometimes I didn't today, but sometimes I also put it a little bit above my lips. Then we did the liquid lipstick, waited it for it to dry down, and then put on the gloss to make it a little bit shiny. So I hope you had fun. I know I did have fun putting this video together. If you have any questions or, you know, want to talk more about different lipsticks or lip products, or if you want to see the blue lip sometime, that would be fun too. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe. If you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave comments below and I will be happy to respond as soon as possible. And thank you and have a great day. Take care, goblins. Bye. Bye, goblins. Hi, goblins. My name is Jody and I'm the Goblin Girl. Yeah.